I read everything that had been written, or most of the stuff that had been written, all the books and as many articles as I could find. I watched Phil Tin Lizzy documentaries, and I tried to see what was out there and really tried to interrogate what I would like to see, and I was less interested in a kind of a rock doc genre. I was less interested in something that would kind of deconstruct all the albums and, go through the song playlist. I was more interested in, a poetic portrait of a human and, pitched that as what I wanted to see. So I think you're right.